Listen, it's something about this recipe, I just cannot stop making it. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a chicken cheesesteak skillet. Man, this thing is good. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, let's do a quick roll call. We have our chicken breast here, boneless chicken breast. You wanna slice them thin, guys, and the trick to this is put them in the freezer for about 30 to 45 minutes prior to you cutting them, and you get you some nice thin slices like that. We have a green bell pepper here whole. We have a whole red bell pepper here, half an orange bell pepper. We have 2 cups of shredded provolone cheese. We have 1 onion slice. Right here in these 2 dishes, we have some olive oil, salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and some Italian seasoning. So not many ingredients, very delicious. Let's go. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on our cooktop. We're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. Get that up to a temperature where it's piping hot. So once you see that's all smoking, you wanna start adding your onions, green peppers, red peppers, and orange peppers. And guys, we're gonna season this with some salt real generously, also with some pepper. And we're gonna get this mixed around and sauteed until our veggies are tender. Now this can take a few minutes. All right, so we're about 7 to 8 minutes in. Let's pause our heat. And we're gonna remove our veggies. We're just gonna add them to this bowl right here. And this is our veggies. We're gonna set them aside. All right, guys, so I called the audible. I have some mushrooms in my refrigerator that I'm not really gonna use right now. So before they go bad, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add them to this. I mean, mushrooms on Philly cheesesteaks or cheesesteak recipes, it works. So let's unpause our heat. And we're gonna add, I'm gonna do 2 cups of mushrooms. Yeah, I think this is gonna work out well right here. And we all know this is here is gonna, those mushrooms wilt down real fast. You know what? I'm just gonna add all 3 cups I got. Let's add them all. They're gonna go to waste if I don't. And I'll gauge whether I put all of them in the final mixture. And we're gonna cook these until they wilt down and soften. And let's also throw a little salt on these too, just a little bit. Let's pepper that up too. And this will take a few minutes. All right, our mushrooms, they look ready, guys. We're just gonna add them, remove them from the pan, add them here to this bowl. All right, so we're gonna take our mushrooms, we're gonna set them aside, unpause our heat, add our tablespoon of olive oil, bring that up to temperature. We want that baby to get smoking hot. All right, so now our oil is hot. We're gonna start adding our chicken. We're gonna take some salt, a little pepper, paprika, and our Italian seasoning. And guys, we're gonna let that cook about a minute untouched so it can brown on one side. All right, so now our chicken is fully cooked, guys. Now we're gonna add our veggies, peppers back into our pot pan, along with a few mushrooms. And now we're just gonna get that mixed up like that. Now we're just gonna top this with our provolone cheese, just like this. I'm gonna cover this up, turn our heat off, and let that cheese melt, and we'll come right back. All right, so we're a couple of minutes in. Let's take a look at, oh man, God, take a look at what we have right there. All right, so we're gonna move this over to our cutting board, and then we're gonna do our final presentation. That way we get into quality control. All right, now we have it on our cutting board. Just to add a little finishing touches to it, I'm gonna add some, I kept some peppers reserved. Just add it to the top, give it some additional color. And there you have it, chicken cheesesteak skillet. I'm leaving measurements and ingredients in the video description below. Guys, let me know in the comment section below What you think about this recipe? Let's jump into quality control. All right, quality control time. Now you can eat this chicken cheesesteak in various ways. You can take your hoagie roll, throw it into a hoagie roll. I mean, just like cheesesteak that way, or you dump it over some pasta. Me, I don't have any hoagie rolls, but you can also take you what? A nice little flour tortilla like this. You just dump it in here like this, and you can just put it in a flour tortilla like that. Got that hot sauce. You know we gotta have that hot sauce. Dump a little of that hot sauce on it. Fold that bad baby up like this, and man, you got you a meal. Delicious. I actually like it better on this flour tortilla. That hot sauce hotting. All right, I gotta go get me some water. I ain't bring no water. This that. Have you never had that pickle pepper hot sauce? Man, that stuff is hot. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. Y'all already know, all wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.